Hi guys, welcome back to Technoxity. This is Adnan Ahmed, and guys, in today's video I am going to discuss how to use the Filmora screen recorder that's available for free within the software instead of the Windows default screen recorder that is activated by clicking Windows plus G. So guys, without wasting any time, let's roll the intro and let's get the video started. So alright guys, before getting started, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and now let's get back to Filmora. So guys, first you can just install the application, and if you guys haven't installed it, you can just leave a comment that you need it, then I'll make a separate video how to crack the file and use it for free. So there are actually a lot of videos available already on YouTube, so you guys can check that out as well. So guys, now let's head over to Filmora. This is the application. Now I am actually using the Filmora screen recorder. If I can show you, when I click on this drop down button, you can just see Filmora screen recorder over here. So that's recording the screen now. And for now, what you guys can do instead of using the inbuilt screen recorder is click on this record option over here, and you can actually add a record from webcam. This thing also, if you have a webcam connected, record PC screen, record a voiceover. There are 3 record options available in Filmora, and you can try out all these 3. For now, let's get back and check out each one of them separately. So guys, the first option here is the record from webcam option. You can just click on that, and then your webcam will be activated, I guess. Just because my recording is already on, I don't think there will be some option given. Okay, there is this option given, so you can just check out the background there, and this is the, you can just select the frame rate as well. So this is how you can start the webcam as well. So you can do that, and then I can also close that. And also there is another option, record a voiceover. So while you are editing, and if you need a voiceover, you can record a voiceover, and when you click on record PC screen, I think it will crash because it's already running. And to press to stop the video, I had just made a shortcut, that is you can customize it when you click on record PC screen. I should have used another recorder to show you this recording, but let's just check out if I can see record PC screen. I think that's already running, so it will just come back to the home page. So it's already on, and so this is the way you record, guys. You can actually set up the frame rate, the audio quality you need, and whether you need the better, best, or the good one. And you can just select that. You can select the resolution, and you can also set custom resolutions instead of the screen size. You can just select it to a certain aspect ratio and record the entire screen. So this is the way this recorder functions, and you can just see the last video. Okay, I deleted that. If I have it here, no, I don't have it in the albums here, and that's the way you record that. And this is a really clean and easy to understand software, and you can just make use of this for great quality. But sometimes when you have a recorder on and you record a video, the internal audio of the PC is fine, the external audio is also fine, but then there is some system sounds that come out when the when you actually sit closer to the PC when you record a voiceover, or rather when you combine both of them. You can actually record the internal audio as well as the external audio at once in Filmora, but then it records the fans noise and gives you a buzz sound, and that ruins the entire audio. So you can just use a mobile phone separately and use the mobile phone recorder and connect a microphone to your mobile phone and record it separately, as I am doing now. And if I can just show you turning on the webcam again, you can just see my microphone is attached to my mobile phone over here. So you guys can just see my mobile phone is connected to a microphone, and I have the microphone over here. So this is the microphone, and that's the way I'm doing it. That's it in this video. So guys, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment if you guys need some other update. And that's it in this video. Make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and meet you in the next one. Until then, goodbye.